Hello everyone, this is Amina. I am back with the session 30. So today we shall have the problem solving on entropy. So let's see what is entropy. So entropy can be thought of as a measure of the disorder of the system. In general, greater disorder means greater entropy. Then we have standard entropy. So standard entropy deals with the absolute entropy of a substance at 1 atm. What do you notice about entropy values for elements and compounds? That is measured in units, joules per kilomoles. Now we can see here the substances, the standard entropy values for some substances which is measured at 25 degrees centigrade. So you can see here the substance has 2O. So the standard entropy is measured between 69.0 and 69, and for H2O 188.7. For Br2 liquid and gas, so we have 152 and 245.3. For similarly we have iodine 116.7, iodine in the gas form, so we can measure 260.6. Similarly we have the diamond 2.4, graphite 5.69, methane 186.2, and ethane 229.5, helium 126.1, and helium 146.2. Now what are the trends in entropy? Entropy for a gas is greater than that of liquid or solid for same substance. Then more complex structures have greater entropy. So C2H6 has a greater entropy than this. Electrons more order forms have a lower entropy. Then entropy changes in a system, that is we have the quality to solid to liquid. Solid must be greater lesser than the liquid. So we can have the figure here. You can see the molecules are free to move here, but here we can see the arrangement of the molecules. This is the vapor form and this is the liquid form. So now entropy changes in a system is we can measure liquid nitrogen evaporates, two clear liquids are mixed and a solid yellow precipitate forms. Liquid water is heated from 22.5 degrees centigrade to 55.8. Now how the entropy changes in the system. It can be calculated from the table of standard value just as enthalpy change was calculated. So it can also be calculated as delta S is equal to summons of N delta S and minus summons of M into delta S products and the reactants. Now we have the numerical problem here. Calculate the standard entropy changed for the following. Use the table. We have the predict the signs for delta S qualitatively. So 2NH3 gives rise to N2 plus 3H2. Now we can see the standard entropy. One more problem. 2NH3 gives to N2 plus 3H2 gas. Similarly, we can calculate delta S. So we can calculate 2 moles of gas to 4 moles of gas. This is another problem. Calculate the standard entropy change for the following using the table for the standard values. So 2H2 GFG plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. So we can have another problem. Change in entropy of the surrounding is directly proportional to the enthalpy of the system. We can be noticed that exothermic process corresponds to a positive entropy change in the surroundings. Change in entropy of the surroundings is inversely proportional to the temperature. Now combining two expressions, we can delta S surroundings is equal to minus delta H divided by T. So one more numerical problem we have. If the entropy change for a system is known to be 1 minus 187.5 joules per Kelvin, then the enthalpy change for a system is known to be minus 35.8. So spontaneously we can have the equation delta S is equal to delta S for the system of surroundings which must be greater than 0. So delta S for the surroundings is equal to minus delta H divided by T. So is this reaction spontaneous? No. So the reaction is non-spontaneous if we calculate it from the above equation. So calculating the entropy change in a reaction, we can assume this. Then calculate the standard entropy of a reaction uses standard entropies of the compounds. So entropy is an extensive property as a function of the number of the moles. Then we have generally the more complex the molecule, the higher the standard entropy value will be there. So here also we have one more numerical problem. Using the standard entropy values, we can calculate the delta S for the reduction of aluminum oxide by the hydrogen gas. In this way we are calculating. This is another example where we are calculating the entropy change of the reaction by taking the carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. So the values are already standard values are given. So we have the second example and so on. So thank you for concentration. Thank you.